Hey there, history hunters. Welcome back to Today in History. Think December 1st is just another day? Think again. We've uncovered 20 weird, wonderful, and mind-blowing events that happened on this very date throughout the ages. From royal shakeups to underground adventures, get ready to have your mind blown. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Number 20. On December 1st, 1640, Portugal regained independence from Spain after 60 years of union, crowning John IV as king and igniting the Portuguese Restoration War. Now that's a royal comeback story worth telling. Number 19. December 1st, 1913, saw the Ford Motor Company introduce the first moving assembly line, revolutionizing manufacturing and making the automobile affordable for the masses. Mass production hits the fast lane in a big way. Number 18. On December 1st, 1955, Rosa Parks refused to give up her seat on a Montgomery bus, sparking the civil rights movement and proving one person's courage can ignite monumental change, taking a stand by sitting down. Number 17. December 1st, 1919, Nancy Astor took her seat as the first woman in the British House of Commons, breaking political barriers and paving the way for women in government. Talk about shattering glass ceilings. Number 16. On December 1st, 1918, Iceland became a sovereign state under the Danish crown, setting the stage for full independence in 1944. Cool news from the land of fire and ice that warmed hearts. Number 15. December 1st, 1959, 12 nations signed the Antarctic Treaty, dedicating the continent to peaceful research and banning military activity, uniting over penguins and icebergs for the sake of science. Number 14. On December 1st, 1990, British and French tunnelers met beneath the English Channel, completing the Channel Tunnel and connecting the UK and France, unifying old rivals without a single sword drawn. Number 13. December 1st, 1969, the US held its first draft lottery since World War II, determining the order of call to military service for the Vietnam War. May the odds be ever in your favor, indeed. Number 12. On December 1st, 1822, Pedro I crowned himself Emperor of Brazil, declaring Brazil's independence from Portugal earlier on September 7th, 1822, and establishing the Brazilian Empire. When in doubt, start your own monarchy. Number 11. December 1st, 1991, Ukrainians voted overwhelmingly for independence from the Soviet Union, leading to the dissolution of the USSR. Breaking up is hard to do, but they made it look easy. Number 10. On December 1st, 1918, Transylvania united with Romania, bringing the legendary land of Dracula into the Romanian kingdom. Vampires and Romanians living together. Who would have thought? Number 9. December 1st, 1885, Dr. Pepper was first served in Waco, Texas, becoming America's oldest major soft drink. 23 flavors of fizzy goodness born on this day to quench our thirst. Number 8. On December 1st, 1960, Paul McCartney and Pete Best were deported from Germany for alleged arson after lighting a condom on fire. The Beatles' early days were literally incendiary. Number 7. December 1st, 1913, the first drive-in gasoline station opened in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, changing the way Americans fueled their cars forever. Filling up got a whole lot easier and cleaner. Number 6. On December 1st, 1783, Jacques Charles and Nicolas Louis Robert made the first manned flight in a hydrogen balloon over Paris, taking head in the clouds to a whole new level. Number 5. December 1st, 1934, Sergei Kirov was assassinated in Leningrad, an event that led to Stalin's Great Purge. History taking a dark and unbelievable turn that shocked the Soviet Union. Number 4. On December 1st, 2000, Vicente Fox was sworn in as President of Mexico, ending 71 years of one-party dominance by the PRI. Political history rewritten south of the border in a dramatic shift. Number 3. December 1st, 1963, Nagaland became the 16th state of India, enriching the country's cultural tapestry with its unique traditions, more colors added to the vibrant Indian palette. Number 2. On December 1st, 1913, Crete was officially reunited with Greece after centuries of foreign rule, fulfilling a long-held dream. Homecoming after 2,000 years never felt so sweet. Number 1. December 1st, 1913, the Buenos Aires Underground opened, becoming the first subway in Latin America and the Southern Hemisphere. Argentina took commuting underground in style. Think December 1st was wild? Just wait until you see what happened on December 2nd. From cosmic coincidences to historical cliffhangers, we've got more jaw-dropping stories coming your way. So hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join us tomorrow for another thrilling dive into the past. Your next adventure in history awaits.